whatever I
So
explained, is it happening?
it's related to service tag generation, right? You are saying
Correct.
everything is
Correct. The service tag generation only.
okay. So it's a. I'm sure, but let me one more time confirm.
Yeah,
Okay,
just to
just give me.
verify, like the thing, whatever I explained in RMQ flow, IBM MQ flow, both you have enabled. So
Hmm.
inside that one, if we get the XML message ID request, it will be ID
Mm-hmm.
request message will be like this.
Okay.
Let me show you. Oh,
Hi,
who
Suresh
is that
Garu.
name? Hi,
Hi,
hi.
Suresh.
Oh, 1 minute. So the input request will be like this, Ibrahim, if I am not
Okay.
wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So if this we posted in RMQ or if we post this in IBM MQ, we will let me paste this one here. So this we will get in the input request.
Okay, sir.
So this we will paste in the RMQ flow or IBM MQ flow, and
Mm-hmm.
then we will generate the service tag and we will
Mm-hmm.
post into the same either RMQ or IBM MQ.
Okay, sir.
This is my expectation, first thing. And
Hmm.
additional thing what we have done is API also we have added. So in this API also we will take this as input request.
Correct, sir.
Okay. And then it will generate the response and post into the RMQ or IBM MQ.
Correct.
Once this post is completed, we need to call new procedure to persist the response message, if I am not wrong.
Hmm.
Is it correct understanding my
Yeah,
whatever I
correct,
am
sir.
explaining? Can you verify one more time? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then give this procedure name in the chat window.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because same thing in the API. So now what we are discussing is the Windows service flow.
Hmm.
Now web application also, now Lokesh, Kavita, other all are working on this application. Here also they need to call this new procedure and persist the response in the DB.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, so you just verify these steps, whatever I am discussing with you, is it correct or not? If any
Mm-hmm.
change, we both will discuss, others are not required. But
Okay, sir.
if everything is correct, just update me like what we have discussed is correct and give
Hmm.
this procedure name in the chat window.
Sure, sir.
Okay, Suman.
Yeah.
So now coming back to here, so
Okay.
Lokesh, so in the SIP dashboard, currently we have the mailing functionality. Okay,
Okay.
so currently in production also mails are going.
Yeah. That is through
Uh,
DB
no, no, that is from the application.
application.
But the thing what I explained, right? So it is storing in one Windows machine VM, and from there it is sending the text file. Like,
Correct. Last time you
let
explained
me,
it.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. 1 minute. Let me show you one more time. See, Ananta, లేదండి వస్తాను. So here we are having a service tag generation in FTL in service tags. Okay. So all these things are that non-MES one generated one location. Okay. So first this text file they are placing inside this one. From there they're attaching in the mail and sending the message.
Okay.
Now I don't know from the application is it possible or not, because once we move to PCF or KOB, we don't have option to create the folder and read the data.
Okay.
So now my problem is in the application without saving, can we create these file name and send the data to whoever is requesting, or else we need to verify in both places, from the DB side and from the application side, from the API. See, now what
Suresh,
will happen? 1 minute. What will happen from the API location? So from UI, from the new UI, we will get the request count. Okay, and from mail ID, that is NTID, logged in NTID, and two email ID will be the drop downs we are selecting, right?
yeah,
Those things we will get to either singular, multiple.
okay,
Vendor emails. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Multiple. Okay. Once we get this to API, so we need to call the existing procedure. So this one, let me show you. Let me. So here in www road, zip dashboard. So this is the where is this one? See, this is the SMTP host SMTP port number what we are using currently. For this is the
okay,
for production.
okay,
For the same way, non-prod also we will have the host number, port, username, password, everything.
okay,
Okay. So this is the application path where we are reading and posting the attaching the messages, like the file is generated, right? So these are the folder names what I have shown earlier.
okay.
Okay. So once it is there, I need procedure name. Wait, where I will find out the procedure.
The mailing procedure,
Uh,
I have it. I have
oh
handy.
no, don't. I don't want,
Okay.
because if it is same or not, here only I need to verify. 1 minute. We need to identify where we are keeping that procedure. By chance, do you have that application clone?
Zip matrix, I have
Zip
old
dashboard.
application cloud.
I think Ibrahim is having. Ibrahim, can you help me? I think one time you have cloned that application.
Zip dashboard.
Ah, one time you have done.
Yeah, I closed.
Can you help me?
Yes, I'm opening, sir.
Okay. Just share your screen. I am also trying.
Mhm.
Is it open?
Yeah, opens.
Can you share your screen? Yeah, able
Yes.
to see. Yeah, can you control F ppid underscore where we are having procs we need to identify here in which page we are having uh, ppid underscore data you type that one we will see underscore data. Yeah, hit verify enter solution not there. Someone if you don't mind can you read that procedure name what you told I am having you told right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you
Do you want
verify
that
that one?
procedure name?
We'll search with that one because
Hmm.
here it came. Can you open this one STG constants? I think
STG
this is the
is it?
click that one. So which page it is there? DAL layer. I think directly inside this one we are having. Okay. So here this is the procedure we need to call Lokesh. So can you paste all these from line number 13th to 16th in the chat, Ibrahim?
Sure, sir. 16, right? No, not required
Yeah,
logging. Right?
not required login. Correct. You paste this one. So Suman, can you verify whether this is the one you are also telling or not?
No, I am talking about package application monitoring. There we have
No, this
HTML email.
that is no that not required. So this is the
Okay.
one I am asking. Okay. So Lokesh, you understood right? With this package, they are calling the generate service tag, and we are passing the values, and it will generate the service tags. Like suppose if I am giving count as 50, let me share my screen. I am sharing my screen again. Let me know once you are able to see.
Yeah.
So here from email ID and quantity we will add here. Suppose if I am adding 50 quantity, now this procedure will be called. You can verify you and Suman. Okay, where is this one? So here, so this procedure will be called as per my knowledge.
Okay.
Okay, let me make a note. So Kavita, so this procedure, whatever we are having, we will show the count of service tags. Have we
Yes, sir.
integrated this in the application?
Actually, we are generating the count and
How we are generating the count? We have some procedure. Are we not calling this procedure? Like
um,
here, so we need to verify this one also, like in the SIP dashboard. So here, after logging in, we will get survey pending service tag count. 1 minute.
we are using one count endpoint, Suresh.
Correct. So is this
Anyway,
the same thing or not? Just to verify.
one second, I'm just just give me a
Okay.
minute.
So you verify. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Lokesh. So once these three details we will pass to this SP. Okay. This SP will give me the service tags. Like suppose if I am telling I need 500 or 5000. So inside this folder, apps folder, FTL, service tag, this is the generated one. Let me take one example. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So here, if you see, if I am giving the count one, it will give the count one service tag inside this one. And this is the date. And this is the email ID what we have selected in the drop down.
Okay.
Okay, so we will keep this one, and since they kept here as request quantity one, we will generate only one service tag. And if we are having 1 minute,
Meanwhile, Lokesh, we are using the same proc, right, for a count endpoint.
Sorry, Kavita, which one?
You have provided one count, right?
You mean on the home dashboard, right?
Dashboard, yes.
pending and received.
Mm-mm.
Let me check.
Because if you want me to provide that one, I'll give you the endpoint. Just check what is the related proc you are using.
So
After this call, we
here,
will check.
one more thing. Suppose if a user see here, he requested 50 quantity here. Able to see, right? So this 50 quantity is nothing but we will generate the response of 50 service tags and we will send this file as attachment.
Okay.
Okay. So now same thing we need to do either from API or from the DB.
Okay.
So we need to explore in both options. Like from API, can we generate and attach the file? Like what I am showing here, this file should be attached in the mail. Like example, like this. So here, service tag is the critical thing. So make sure we won't send duplicates or something. We need to maintain that one also. We'll verify. So like this, and here in the two example, new base uh, example I am telling here, Suresh. Okay, and suppose whoever is I am only generating, then it will be like this the mail, and here this del whatever I am seeing here del hyphen anatol something whatever here it is there, same thing it will be also in the subject, this file name.
Yeah, that Anatol Jakuk is the vendor name, right, Suresh?
That we need to verify in the DB because by seeing here I don't know. Let me verify here. Service tag generation, vendor name, what is the name? What is the name? Anatol. Here it is not there. We need to verify in the DB. What is the table name? I don't know. So, or else we need to read one by one. Anyone is having idea like what is the table name we are fetching here?
Vendor details.
1 minute. Let me verify.
Uh,
Hmm?
yeah.
Select star from what is the table name? PPID 4S. Vendor. Vendor info, vendor mail info. Vendor info. Okay, so here where vendor underscore name like what is this one? ANATOL. Not there. Now we need to go to the mail info. Vendor mail info. Vendor mail ID. So here the problem is, suppose I told earlier, I don't know whether you all remember or not. Whenever we are selecting non-MES, at that time only we will send email.
Okay.
When it is MES, we will give the download option.
Okay.
So when other than MES, example, I don't have non-MES and I have only MES. Where let me show you.
MENs means what? Sorry.
Yeah, here. So example, if user is selecting MES, I don't know exactly, but we have two types. One is MES user, one is non-MES user. For
Okay.
MES user, he will we won't get any email IDs. Okay, so if
Okay.
we'll enter one, it will generate automatically with NTID login. The
Okay.
moment if we select non-MES, at that time only we will get the mail IDs. Okay.
Okay.
So in case of MES, we will give only download button will come here, like the pop-up with one same file. The file will be same. Okay. So
Okay.
here we will have two options. One is MES user and another one is non-MES user. So MES user or non-MES user, both places, this text file will be generated. Where is this one? This one. Okay.
Okay.
In both the places, this text file will be generated. But in case of MES, we will give only download option.
Okay.
MES only download option, that same file.
And the file name will be the logged in user's name
Correct.
for
So
MES.
it will be del hyphen NTID. If you see here, whatever we are having here, example, the first one, Anotel Jack. And if you see here, this is the email ID. Let me show you. Anotel Jack. Here we are seeing, right? JCUK Anotel.
Yeah.
So this is the logged in username.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever we are having with that name, it will be created and the date, how many quantity they have requested, and this ID generated from the DB.
Okay.
This ID. Okay. If we want to see that one, select star from SVC tag request.
రిక్వెస్టెడ్ యూజర్ అంటే అమెరికా డొమైన్ వస్తుంది కదా, రిక్వెస్టెడ్ ఐడి. రిక్వెస్టెడ్ యూజర్ అంటే డొమైన్ అని వస్తుంది, అమెరికాస్ అని చూపిస్తుంది. సో మీరు రిక్వెస్టెడ్ ఐడి యూజ్ చేయాలి.
రిక్వెస్టెడ్ యూజరే కదా.
Name vendor.
VNDO. Maybe this is very old data. Let me take one new one. Virtual OFS. Right? Vendor name is not there, file is generated. How is it possible? Oh, this is maybe non-MUS. Mm. But we can keep that one. Okay. And let me verify with my name anything is there. We can generate that one in the same way. We'll verify that one. But whatever I'm explaining, we can do that one. Okay. So here, in case of name will be del hyphen ntid hyphen count quantity hyphen the message from DB here it will be there. Like what I am telling is this last 97652 895212. Let me verify whether it is there or not. At least this one 97212. Service tag request. Oh, the problem is I am checking.
Suresh, you are not audible. Anyone able to hear Suresh?
Now able to hear me?
Yeah, now we.
Okay. I'm
Yes, sir.
resharing my screen. Maybe the issue what I am having is I am checking in GE4, but the folder what I am showing is the production one. That's where we are not seeing the data. So let me verify in the production only. Able to see now?
Yeah.
So this one we are getting there, because earlier I am checking in GE4, that's where we didn't get the data. The request quantity, how much they are requested and everything we will get, and this 94318 whatever we are seeing here, this we will have in the here, whatever we are seeing here, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you. F4. Yeah, it's open. Apps, FTL, service tags. So here if you see 94318, correct?
Yeah.
So this 94318 is nothing but this one.
Service tag required request ID.
So everything we need to generate this one, and see the out file name what we are seeing here. This is coming from the DB.
You mean the DB itself formatting and inserting, they are returning to API side and API.
Correct. Name and everything we are getting from DB.
Okay.
So that's why if we see this procedure, Suman, we will understand what exactly is happening here.
Yes, I'm checking on it.
You after later, don't do it now, because we need to understand all the things. Okay. So here now here the MES only download. In case of non-MES, we will have download plus mail functionality. In case of MES, no email functionality.
You mean we are going to show download for the non-MES also, Suraj? In
Yeah.
the UI?
Yeah. So we need to do that one. How to achieve that one? We need to verify now. Because is there any possibility from UI creating the once the string response came with that one? Can we give the option as download.txt or something? We need to verify. Because earlier we are having VM, and in this VM we are keeping, and from here we are giving the download option, because the paths and everything we have seen right here. If you
Yeah,
see
so the end user
apps,
directly accessing this location while downloading.
no, application only will give that one. The moment to download option is there, internally in the from the server it will pick this one. And if you see here apps, let me show you the code. 1 minute. Ibrahim, can you share once again the screen?
Yes, sir.
Ibrahim, can you
Yeah.
reshare your screen for 1 minute? Yeah. Can you go to the web.config once, Ibrahim? Web.config. Yeah, click that one. Yeah, go above, go above. Wait. Here, if you see, that service tag source file path. Can you copy that and search inside the code? Yeah, not the value, not value, the key value. Yeah, that's what. Can you search that one in the inside application? Yeah, click that one. Yeah, now here if you see that path we are taking here, and we will give the download option here.
Okay.
So we will read the file and we will give the download option here. So the moment if I click the download, the server location it will take, and it will give the option, download option. Understood?
Yeah,
we can verify,
Ibrahim, could you
we
go
can
to
verify.
that
Control F,
generate
Control
service
F.
tag?
1 minute. Control F, download. Control Shift F, download. You can click one button will be there. Verify once again. Find all. Yeah, download. Yeah, can you click that one? Yeah, from here, can you navigate, Ibrahim?
Generate drop, which sir?
Not
Download
that
file.
one. Download file. This one. Go definition here. Implementation. Now here, if we see the download we are giving, and this is all the .NET ASP.NET code, and the system.io path. Can you come right side, Ibrahim? Line number 2. File path. What is the file path? It is coming from where we are getting that file path. Can you go back to that one?
Yeah, it's coming from source path.
Source path. What is the source path? The web.config, whatever we are having.
Yes, correct.
So here we will get the source path, and we will generate the file. We'll take that file and give the download option, and user it will go to the his system downloads one. The moment I download this one.
I mean, the source file path here, it won't be like some general from web config, right? The source
Correct.
path.
Correct, because this is earlier one I am showing this functionality we need to achieve.
Okay.
The earlier thing is mail functionality. So because already we are sending from the DB, other things also, how to send, we need to identify, because this folder permission, folder option is not there now. Earlier this application is hosted in the Windows machine, and we have that provision. And now the technologies are changing and the environments are changing. We need to find out some solution for this one.
Okay, Suresh. Yeah, as per my understanding, like I will be getting that vendor emails and service tag counts, and I will be passing it to the SP, which you shared in the chat.
Correct.
They will be returning. They can return the list of service tag, right?
Correct.
Using that tag, I can generate a text file, and then using
And
SMTP server, I have to
we
send
need
mail
to send,
to the.
but from the UI we need to give the download option.
Yeah, so since UI will be in React, right? So once they
React.
click, they can call some API, or
Correct.
else I can directly.
You will directly.
I can directly return it, right? Since it's a mail, I can
mail
send
is
the
okay,
mail.
Lokesh. Mail is okay, Lokesh, but UI need to have that response object again to UI, right? To give the download option and everything.
In that case, in the DB, while they are returning the service tag, they should
But how you will
keep
do
those
that
tags.
one? You need to prepare 1 minute, Lokesh. So you need to prepare here the text file. It should be downloaded this file, Kavita. Correct. So inside that file, you need to give that content, whatever the response we are getting from the DB. That string you need to append inside this file, and then we need to give the download option.
Yeah, for that only.
We need to change that one. This we need to change. Whatever I am having here, right? I am explaining Kavita. 1 minute.
Okay.
So here, whatever we are having, Kavita, here, that's what I am showing you. So here, whatever we are having in this one, the inside that file, the download file, only these two lines will be there. Ah, we need to keep this. This is coming from DB. We need to keep that one, and we need to append the file name, this name to the downloaded one. Understood? Okay. Yeah, Lokesh, you are asking me something.
Yeah, Suresh.
Yeah.
So we have to maintain, right, Suresh? While generating, we will be having those service tag, and we have
Uh,
to keep track of those service tag because since
so
we don't have that
API
file.
need to send email. After sending email, we need to pass that value to the API UI. So again, UI will give the download option.
You mean the complete response list of service tag we have to send to the UI?
See now, let me share my screen again. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I understand, Suresh, but my query.
This response, this entire thing, whatever we are having in the string, we need to give it to UI.
Okay.
So that they will use this string response and they will create the download option with the text file.
Yeah.
Otherwise, how they will because API, once API sent email, or else both the things we can do in the UI also, Kavita. Because in the current world also mailing functionality we are having. Also not required. Nothing. Just you need to use these three values. 1 minute. Where is that code? So here we are having, let me show you. Nothing is required. Just simply you need to use these three variables. Let me show you. Sorry. So inside this one, zip dashboard. So inside this web.config, open with Notepad. So the code is also there. If we open that Ibrahim, whatever he is having, he will show that one. Only to send email, these are the three lines we need. So one is SMTP port, SMTP host, and these from here to here we need to have, and using this one we will send email. Nothing is required. So we have the mail functionality also here. Let me show you. Control F from email ID. And okay. So let me take here entire solution. Ibrahim, can you search with this word from email ID in your project?
Yes, sir.
For me, it is taking time. Yeah, here, if you see here, able to see. So
Yeah.
just this is the send email method. Okay. So here we will have client port, client host, enable SSL, all these things. And here, whatever in the CC, everything we will keep here. And in the attachments, whatever we are having, that attachment I am telling, right? That we will attach here and we will send this email and mail will send. This is the code, nothing else required. So this either we need to send from API or UI, anything. Just to discuss once. If possible, we can do from you, because download option anyway we are giving.
Yeah. So yeah, the API sending we can send from mail, but for download we need a.
Download, that's what you discuss. So yeah, so this is the code location. Whatever is having, this is the mail functionality code.
Okay.
So here everything is there. Currently also we are sending, but this is the ASP.NET related code, this one.
Okay.
So same thing in .NET Core, how to handle, we need to verify, because the SMTP host, SMTP port, all these things, whatever we are getting from the UI. And then whatever we are having.
Sorry, from UI, these details we are getting from UI, Suresh? That
Correct.
SMTP.
No, not SMTP, the mail IDs and those things I'm telling.
Okay.
The SMTP string from address.
Yeah, so the
Sender
from
address.
address to address we will be getting from UI,
Correct.
and
And
from
quantity.
backend that
And
SMTP
quantity.
related
That
configuration,
one,
Suresh. Can we use the same or?
yeah, this is production. This is production, because whatever I am showing, this SMT post is the production one and port is the this one. Same way we are having for GE4 as well.
Okay.
Let me verify.
Yeah, also you said we have that SMTP in our API, right? You mean in Sigmatrix or?
No, API we don't have. API, web application I told.
Okay.
This is the web application. Let me verify. NetPub, zip dashboard, web.config. See, this is the non-prod one. Okay. If you see port number, this is for the product non-prod, and this is for the production. These two.
Got it, Suresh. Yeah. So for
Okay.
sending
So this
mail,
is for
we.
the prod is this one. Okay, and these two are for non-prod. You can see the values are different.
Yeah.
And the username, password to send the mail, this is for non-prod. If you see, this is the account name, and we will have the password as well. So this is for non-prod. Okay, and for the production, we are having this one. This is for production. Understood?
Yeah.
So here, this is for the production. Wherever we are seeing PRD, that means that service account is production. To send email, we need to have one service account. From with this service account only, we can send emails.
Yes.
So now I have given all the details. Anything, please let me know. This we need to complete the entire functionalities what we have discussed.
Yeah, Suresh. So yeah. So I see we have
And one thing, last thing, sorry. I mean, before, because earlier we are storing the files into this location, right? Now we don't have that option. So either of the MES and non-MES, once this functionality is completed, we need to call this new procedure to store that file. This is new one, which is not there in the current application also. Understood?
this new
Because
procedure will store the created service tag into the table, right?
correct. Because earlier we are storing into this VM. Now we don't have VM and folder options, right? So that's why I requested Shanthan to persist the data so that we can verify in future what service tags we have sent and all those things. Because the download option, the moment we are giving, it will go to the user downloads, right? And we don't have visibility for that file. So earlier we are storing the files here. Now in the new code, we don't have option to save like this. That's why I requested to have one new procedure. The moment we pass the data to the procedure, it will store in new table, like whatever we are having here, the content, the same content.
Okay.
At least for visibility. In future, if I want to see like what I have sent, where we will verify if we don't
Yeah.
have this file. So for that's why I requested to call this new procedure and persist the response. Huh?
Sir, that new proc name I shared, sir, chat.
Any questions do we have?
Yeah, Suresh. So,
Yeah.
so basically, I mean, I just confirming the flow. So
Okay.
from UI, they will be sending vendors email list and vendor, I
These
mean,
three.
logged in user, yeah, and quantity. And I'm from the
Kavita,
API, I'm calling.
you need to sit with Suman and understand what are the parameters it required this procedure. And then same thing we need to pass it to API. Okay. Now tell me, Lokesh.
Yeah, and then I will be calling this ASP, and
Uh,
it will be generating the service tag, and then
uh,
returning that service tag to the back to API.
API in
And
the string format as per my knowledge.
yeah, and I should be able to convert that strings into the format which we seen in that file,
Uh,
like the
I
logged
think
in
it is
user
coming in
client.
the same file, but we can verify Lokesh. It will be in the same file as per my knowledge.
Same file means what,
No,
Suresh?
no, I think it will be in the same format. What we are seeing inside the file, same format, it will be coming as per my knowledge.
Okay, in that case, I have to just take that string and
Uh,
string content
and
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 convert it into text file and attach it
send the
inside
mail.
attachment and send using the
Send back.
SMTPs.
Exactly.
And
And
I
then
should
and
and
then give the same response to UI.
yeah, got it.
And
And
one more thing,
should I
make
also
sure.
should I have to call the other SP to persist the data or
Ah, once this mail functionality is completed and the return object you have given to UI, okay, then we need to same
it
time
should
we need
no
to
no
call the
it
new
should be
procedure.
no Suresh, it should be persisted while they are creating itself,
So
right?
or else we'll ask one thing, 1 minute. So Suman, once this file is generated here, uh, at this time only can we insert into the DB? Suman, Suman.
Suman, you are
Will
on
you?
mute.
Oh, yes.
So here in this case it will be single service tag, Suman. So we are having both
Mhm.
the things, first service tag and second service tag. Suppose if we are having 50, in that case also here 50 will be there, here first service tag and last service tag. Okay. While returning the response without file and everything, can we persist that data into the new procedure what I told right here? Like the new procedure Ibrahim will give you, right?
Sir, I given in the chat.
Yeah, this one. This is not there currently, Suman, but now what I am requesting again, giving to application and application again bring sending back to DB, it will be round trip, right? Instead of that one, can we, once the file is generated and everything is completed, can we persist the same data in this table?
Yeah.
See, now the application is calling this procedure, right? Once everything is completed, when it is from the application flow, because I don't know whether both Windows service and SIP dashboard, both the places same SP is calling or different SP. So Ibrahim, can you help me to identify this one? Is this procedure is calling in both SPs or same
There
different?
are two SPs, sir. One is
Then
at one, another one is this one, SV tag main SP.
then so Suman, so whenever we are getting the request for this one, okay. So what he is telling, I don't know whether you understood or not. So here Windows service we are having SP1, okay, and web application we are having SP2, okay. So from SP1 we are calling this new procedure, which is nothing but this one. Okay. And once Ibrahim functionality completed, he is calling and he is updating this one. Okay. Now in the SP2, whatever we are having, here we are calling this one, SIP dashboard. Now, once this response is generated and entire functionality is completed, we need to call this procedure inside this procedure before giving the response to the API.
Both
Understood?
the SP1 and SP2, only SP1.
Leave this one. This is already there. No need to do this one, anything.
Okay.
Because why we are using this one to track the responses.
But yeah, we can do that. Just I want to see how we are tracking it.
Yeah, verify that one, because now the moment we are returning the data to UI, we don't have option to verify what is my response and what are those 30 or 50 service tags which we are giving to UAPI.
So there's one question. This gen SVC tag this is a new procedure, correct?
Correct. I told
And
right here.
Okay.
Understood or no?
Understood. Only how much data will be there generally? Loading
It
of
will be
data.
maximum 50,000 service tag.
How
Like if
we
it is
need to put it in the club, or how we are
club
planning?
only. Array, why you are thinking that is already there.
There. Okay. No, I did not find the code. That's the reason in the
I
production.
verify. I think it is in production. It won't be. This code didn't went to production. Either dev database or GE4. It will be there.
G4 I'm checking. Same package only. Same package only. I'm checking G4.
Ibrahim, do you remember in which environment we have tested this one with
So it
help of
should be on
Shantanu?
maybe
Dev
on G.
only.
Yeah.
But he is telling create
G4 is
service
not
tag
there.
package. Create package is not.
I can share if you want.
Wait. You verified dev also.
Dove I did not verify. Dove I will verify.
Okay. It is there, right? Yeah, here
What
it is not
environment?
there. Here it is not there. I think dev only. Okay, let me verify in dev. Yeah, here it is there. So he created everything. So we need to promote this code to GE4. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yeah, okay. Got it.
Okay. So one last thing.
Suresh, for
Lokesh.
SMTP configuration, so from which file I can get it, get those SMTP, like any that SMTP related configuration
No,
for
we need to
G4?
find out from G4. I will give you. Okay, give me some time. I will verify and give you. Meanwhile, 1 minute. What is the file
Also from
name,
G4,
Ibrahim?
Suresh, we can say, generate that service tag, right? Uh,
Hmm?
in G4
Mm-hmm.
environment, it is okay to generate those service tags
We
and
need
send
to
to
make
mail.
sure. Yeah, we can generate. 1 minute. So here, one more thing. We have one package. So this is very much mandatory location. So just to go through this code,
Hello,
whenever
sir.
the service, sorry, I found that one, Ibrahim.
Sir, just
So,
want to update. We have already created endpoint for this service tag generation.
but there it will be the input request will be different, right?
Yeah, two types of input requests we are accepting. One is for that tag main, which you show the XML. And recently we have created one endpoint for cockpit UI, which are using for the service tag generation, the package which you have shown, right? Just
Which one? This one you are telling?
I'll share that endpoint. So if you open that,
Yeah, can open and give me
sir, I shared in chat. Can you please open that?
1 minute. Let me verify. Where is
Yeah, see, in same group.
this one? Yeah. Oh, here.
So here we are
Okay.
generating count.
Count is there.
Second one.
Generate service tag. Okay.
This one is
So
using
here,
cockpit.
no, not cockpit UI. This is SIP dashboard one you are telling, correct?
Oh yeah.
So here we need to enhancement location. We need to do enhancement in this one. It is already there. Inside this one, we need to verify that mailing functionality and everything.
You mean inside this endpoint, Suresh?
It is already created, I guess. Ibrahim, when you have created this one, I forgot actually.
So last release you told me to create that. So which we the SIP dashboard.
Okay. Okay, so most of the functionality is there, Lokesh. So in this one, we need to verify.
Yeah, we need to implement that mail sending, right?
Mail functionality, correct. And then giving the data to API UI.
Okay.
Okay.
So currently we are returning only this vendor name, request quantity, and
no, this is input.
Yeah. So, Ibrahim, currently what we are returning? Could you scroll below?
At the format, so I can show you what exactly it is.
So, so one
Vendor
thing.
name,
So now
quantity, and
here we
response.
are here we are having the endpoint. Ibrahim, can you verify? Are we calling this one also inside that
So
new
yeah,
endpoint?
yeah, this one is also calling. Just only that we response we are not processing in DB. That SP is what
Ah,
we are.
correct. But what we are giving to UI, that same file what we are discussing is this one only we are giving to
Yeah,
UI.
correct. But just response type is different. Vendor name, vendor email, and the list of service tag generation or
So
things like
then
it.
with this one you try download option, Kavita. No, same thing. Uh, Whatever API we are having, so modify that one and give this one. Okay. So now the pending thing is Suman persisting the data, whatever it is already there, the functionality and everything. This we need to add.
But what? Yeah, just now I saw how the file is
Uh,
picking up and all the things is there. Yeah,
you verify, Suman. We can have one more call, but
sure.
the endpoint is like this should be persisted with the uh, response message. Earlier, this is not there.
Okay.
Okay. So for this one, before you are giving response to back to API or UI, if we call this procedure and persist the data, our monitoring will be solved. Okay. Now,
Okay.
now Kavita will verify the format and you will achieve whatever it is there, same thing. And Lokesh, you enhance this endpoint like whatever we are seeing here to send email functionality as attachment for non-MES users.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear everything?
Yes,
Yeah,
Suresh,
yeah.
I'll take care of
Yes, yes.
download option
Yeah.
with
So
the
Ibrahim,
page.
whenever Lokesh needs some help, please help him with the details, that
Yeah, sure.
endpoint details or something.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Suresh.
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah,
Suresh,
Lokesh.
actually, yeah, I'm clear on this, but I just want to update you. Like, I will be on leave from 29th, Suresh.
29th till 29th, right? Before that one, it will be completed, right?
Yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
mean,
Then
from 29th to 2nd of
okay, Lokesh,
Jan.
that is not a problem. But once this is completed, I am okay.
Okay.
Because this is the only the thing is pending, right? The rest all we have everything. So if we complete this one, I think we are good.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I will send
Anything,
mail
please call
to
me.
MES. Yeah, Ramakrishna and CC to you and
Yeah,
Anita.
no, yeah, 3 days, right?
No, no, it's
Uh,
5 days, Suresh.
5 days, huh? Okay,
Uh,
send one email. What are the dates you are telling? 1 minute. Oh, any other
January 1st is a holiday or
list I didn't get, Lokesh. Maybe I will verify. If I find something, I will share it with you. Last
okay.
year, I think we don't have all day.
Okay, Suresh. Yeah, actually
Let
it's
me verify.
29th
So,
from Monday to Friday.
okay, you send that one. Any other, I mean, anyone is taking other than Lokesh? Jan, festival it is there. How many days? How many days? 2 days. Okay. Ibrahim, are you taking any leaves?
No, sir. Actually, Manoj sir is taking leave, so I am available
When?
December.
When? December. When
Yeah.
he is taking any idea to you?
Uh, Maybe 22nd to 26, maybe.
Okay. So we need to start that this one, the Kafka related one. We have done some discussion, right?
Yes, sir.
So today in grooming call, I will ask Durga to explain more in that grooming call only.
Okay,
So
sir.
please update Mano also. Let's join the call and get the details as much as required. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Please be
understood.
available for grooming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you all. Thank you.